How to clear cache and cookies in Chrome app on an Android phone. So if your phone is low on storage, clearing cookies might help to expand storage space and also speed up your phone. So let's get started. Firstly, go ahead and open your Google Chrome. And now you need to tap on three dots in the top right corner to access Settings. So choose Settings from the drop-down menu. What else we need to do is we need to click on Privacy and Security. And from here, select the option Delete Browsing Data. Now you gotta choose your browsing history, make sure the box is checked, as well as cookies and site data and cached images and files. I do not recommend you to clear saved passwords and autofill because if you don't remember your password, you will not be able to recover it after that and you will lose access to the website. And then just tap blue button, delete data at the bottom. But also on the top, you can switch to different time range. So tap on that and from last 15 minutes, you can switch to all time, for example, or choose any other option from the list. So I'm just gonna tap delete data and it will suggest us to clear data from these sites. So it's up to you. You can either clear data by tapping delete button or you can uncheck some of the websites and then tap delete. And now it is deleted. But keep in mind that clearing cookies will log you out from most sites, so make sure you know your password. For specific issues like a login loop or layout box, you can just go back to the main settings, scroll down to site settings, choose all sites, and manually delete browsing data from those specific websites by tapping the recycle bin. Just tap delete and reset. And if you are using incognito mode, then Chrome will not save cookies and the website data, so you might not need this step. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.